Murphy is having a bath. So's Kai. Look, see? There's Sam and Lila. There's Nova, Twyla and Louie. And last but not least, where are you? My teeny tots! Hey, Murphy! Hey, come on then, let's go! Hey! Oh my god. It's sodden. Splish. Hear it. They're having a great time. Come on then. Sam, Lila, this way. Wee Nova's going to be exhausted. This is her second walk, same with Tiny. Hello. So as you can see, they're all very Louie and Twyla. Right, you two, come on, let's go. Sam, Lila, come on. Come on, let's go, let's go. So, up at Bella, having a really good time. Just letting them all run riot. Or roll riot. And I'll see you later. Bye.